Becoming an Agile project manager requires a combination of specific skill, knowledge of Agile methodologies, and practical experience. Here's a concise guide to get started. Understand Agile principles. Familiarize yourself with the core values and principles outlined in the Agile Manifesto. Study frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, and Lean. Gain relevant experience. Start by working in roles that allow you to participate in Agile projects, such as a Scrum Master, Product Owner, or Team Member. Hands-on experience is crucial. Get certified. Consider obtaining certifications such as a Certified Scrum Master, PMI Agile Certified Practitioner, or Professional Scrum Master. These credentials validate your knowledge and skills in Agile practices. Develop key skills. Focus on essential skills like leadership, communication, facilitation, conflict resolution, and time management. Agile project managers must be adept at managing teams and fostering collaboration. Learn Agile tools. Gain proficiency in Agile project management tools like Jira, Trello, or Asana. These tools help streamline workflows, manage backlogs, and track progress. Network and learn. Join Agile communities, attend workshops, webinars, and conferences. Networking with other Agile professionals can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Implement Agile practices. Apply Agile practices in your current role. Start small by introducing Agile concepts and gradually scale up. Demonstrating successful Agile project management can pave the way for a dedicated Agile project manager role. Continuous improvement. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. Stay updated with the latest Agile trends, practices, and case studies.